Hi, this is Jack at Speak Network Solutions. Today, I'm going to talk to you about building virtual networking labs and my book about Cisco VIRL. I remember about 10-15 years ago when I first started working on my CCNA, CCNP, and CCIE certifications, I had to spend hundreds of dollars buying used Cisco routers and switches on eBay to build my own learning lab. As a network engineer, do you remember the last time you typed in a configuration command and all of a sudden the router gone frozen and you had to reboot it to restore the network? Your boss wasn't happy for sure. In today's world, started with servers, everything can be virtualized, especially for the networking gears. To build a learning lab, we are not looking to build a high-performance production network. Instead, we're here to learn and test routers and switches configurations. They should absolutely be virtualized to save us from having to purchase the hardware, paying high electricity bills, and not to mention the noise and heat that you're going to have to deal with otherwise. Cisco first came up with a product called Cisco Modeling Lab, or CML. It was targeted for large enterprise customers to build networking labs in a virtual environment. CML is very expensive and has very high system requirements. Obviously, this is out of the reach for most students and engineers who just wanted to build a network simulation in a very small scale. Cisco then released VIRL, a virtual internet routing lab for individuals and personal use. This is the VIRL website. It is very similar to CML with limitations on number of nodes that you can simulate at a time. VIRL is designed to build and run network simulations without the need for physical hardware. It provides a scalable, extensible network design and simulation environment for engineers to build network labs and students to learn about network technologies. The Cisco VIRL book guides you through installing, configuring, and using the Cisco Virtual Internet Lab on Windows and Mac computers, VMware servers, and in cloud environment. The book is written for students who are studying for CCNA, CCNP, and CCIE certification exams, training and learning about network technologies. The book is also for IT networking professionals who are trying to mock up production network, test network changes, and new features without risking downtime. If you are an instructor or a student, the certification-oriented network examples guide students through building, configuring, and troubleshooting network often seen in the exams. The book also helps Cisco Networking Academy instructors to teach and students to learn and build successful IT careers. Students will gain good understanding and knowledge building network simulations to practice while pursuing their IT network certifications. If you're a network engineer, the real-world network topology examples in this book show users step-by-step the key techniques when working with VIRL, building best practice configuration for each networking device. VIRL supports virtual IOS, most commonly seen on Cisco routers, iOS Layer 2 for access switches, iOS XE for the ASR 1000 series routers, and the carrier class iOS XR and Nexus NXOS. VIRL can also run third-party virtual machines such as Juniper, Palo Alto Networks, Fortinet, F5, Extreme Networks, Citrix, and more. For network engineers, you may observe and study the behavior in the labs and apply the knowledge to setting up and troubleshooting real-world network environment. Making all the configuration changes predictable is the key. The book has 12 chapters. Whether you're new to Cisco VIRL and network simulations or a seasoned network professional, the book gives you a kickstart on how to install and prepare a VIRL server for your lab. It then goes deeper into best practice configuration, how to connect the lab to your external network, packet capturing, routing virtualization, and integrating with third-party VMs. The book also gives you tips and tricks for those studying for Cisco certifications. 9 practical labs are included for free download with the book. The topology files are VRL import ready. You can simply import them into VM Maestro, which is VRL's front-end client, and launch them right away. Each lab comes with initial configuration and the final configuration for your convenience. The book is available on Amazon. For more information, head out to viralbook.com. Thank you.